This is the Skoda Fabia MK3 2014-2021, and if you have the handbrake like flashing, not illuminating like in my case, but flashing, and the car making sounds, it means that your handbrake is not released properly. So you need to release the handbrake and the handbrake light will go off the screen. But the problem is that in a lot of cases you will have the handbrake released and everything will fine, but you will still have this flashing. And in this case, you may know that the switch in the system, it has a switch under this plastic panels. There is just a button, a small black button that may fail. And after about 8 years of service, after about 200,000 kilometers, these buttons may fail and you will need to buy the new one. Fortunately, there are a lot of options for 5 to 10 euros of aftermarket buttons, and you can actually replace it on your own if you know how to take this plastic trim off. It's not that hard actually. You can watch a lot of YouTube videos there, and you can watch and do it on your own, or you can pay like 50 euros and people will do this for you. But the problem is almost always in that switch or in the connections with the switch in this handbrake system.